About to go fishing. I'm about to either catch a fat bass or nothing at all. Wish me luck, Pete. Okay, guys, so I came up with a few tasks I want to complete today. Because, so the first one is I want to do a backflip. I haven't done one in a minute. I want to give it a shot again, see if I can actually do it. The second one is I'm going to be shooting a basketball. And the third one is I'm going to be walking my dog. He hasn't actually been outside in a minute. Task 1! Ow! Complete! Task number 2. Complete! Task 3. What are you doing? Are you walking around? You got a little adventure? Adventure. What do you smell? Oh, Pete. Guys, don't. Are you ready? Hey, I have a question. Why'd you shoot my dog?
Why?
No. How? Yeah.
You're running my cows. Killing my dogs.
That dog wasn't killing your dogs.
My wife seen it kill one of them.
Wait, oh, you talking about it was in our yard?
It's in the road, yeah.
Yeah, that's our property. So you shot the dog.
What's your property?
Dude, that road, if we went to, we could put a gate up just like you right there. I was 10 years old, You shot the dog right in front of me.
I didn't realize, I was mad, okay?
Okay, so mad equals kill. Got it.
I'm not going to shoot somebody's dog because it's on my place.
So you choose to shoot the dog right in front of me.
You know what? I did do things wrong that day. I admit that. I did.
True. You did. Yep. Your dogs, though, they get on our property too, and we don't, like, in our yard, and we don't do nothing. True. That's also true.
You can have all the dogs you want. I don't care if they get on my place. I don't care.
Get another dog. So what? You can shoot it when you get mad? Well, we don't want that to happen again. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Like, I like dogs.
I know I done shit I should have done.
I mean, we all do. It's just, I feel like there's a better way to approach it, This is exactly what happened. He drove up our road, got out with his gun, ran down the road, and shot 4 times. Boom, 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 boom. And ran back to his truck and drove away as if nothing happened.